Trash talk!
Hey guys, what's up? As you can see from the title, this is a Louis Vuitton. I don't know if it's a really unboxing or like a mini haul. I'm so excited. I've really been into luxury unboxing and just watching luxury videos on YouTube. I'm so inspired to do my own. If this is your first time here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it first. Yeah, also, drop a comment, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, say something nice. It really helps out the channel, so let's just get into it. Alright, so I went ahead and switched lenses so I can really show you guys what all I got. Let's just come a little. I want to give you guys a better view of what I got here. So, we have some goodies from Louis Vuitton. Can't wait to explain them. Now, don't be trying to come rob and fight me because I ain't got a lot of money. I ain't got a lot of stuff, but this is what I'm working hard for. And I'm super blessed that I was able to get one. But I want to show y'all. And I want to talk about the Louis Vuitton experience. Firstly, I've had a Louis Vuitton item before. I lost it, or I honestly don't lose items that are super expensive, but I think someone stole it. So I was just afraid to buy another Louis Vuitton item for a very long time because I was just like, I don't have time to buy another $890 wallet with taxes like $935 and then someone steals it. That's just not fair. It sucks, but you know, you live and you learn. Gotta be more careful with your belongings. So, where my coffee is? But yeah, the experience was great. I actually ordered one of the items online, the small leather good I ordered online, and I just put pick up in store. I'm actually waiting on one item to come, and I have an SA a sales associate who's gonna help me. Dana, shout out to Dana in Atlanta at Lenox Square Mall at Louis Vuitton. She's really nice. She helped me out with getting these items that I'm gonna show you guys soon. But yeah, the experience was great. I walked in pretty easy. So there's two lines now with Louis Vuitton. There's a regular shopping line, and then there's a pickup order line, or private, like if you're a private client and you have a go see, or maybe if you're someone like a celebrity or something like that, you go to the other line, which no one was in that line. I walked in, you could tell that everybody in the other line was like, who is that? Yeah, I walked in, I skipped all y'all. Whatever. Anyways, I get inside the store, having a good time. I see one of my friends, I see Lee. I see two people I know as far as like people who work there. And yeah, it was a good experience. It wasn't like my first experience at Gucci. I'm not saying I don't like Gucci. I love Gucci. I just, sometimes, you know, luxury shopping experiences can be very, very finicky. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing. So this first item I actually got for my birthday. One of my friends, Caleb, bought it for me for my birthday, and I love it. I want to add pieces to my collection from this collection, but they're a bit pricey. You know, we'll work our way up there, but yeah, I'm gonna get into it and show you guys what it is. Alright, so it is a bracelet. It comes in this cute little Louis Vuitton dust bag, stainless steel and silver. It actually has little Louis Vuitton logos engraved in it, which I think is so cool. I really want to get my initials engraved in it. It's really hard to see because it's minute, but there are little Louis Vuitton symbols on that bracelet. It's such a cute bracelet. It's very masculine. I love masculine jewelry unless I get something that's like heart-shaped. I would never get anything that's heart-shaped. What am I talking about? But it's a very masculine bracelet. It is hard to put on by myself. Okay, got it. By the way, I love Louis Vuitton's packaging. Keep it as is, right in the bag, and in a box, just like that. A very nice bracelet. I paired it with my Pandora bracelet and this bracelet I got from like TJ Maxx. But see, it's so masculine. I always get compliments on it and like, oh my God, where's it from? I really don't like telling people where it's from because I don't know, something about it seems a bit arrogant, but that's not how I'm coming off. You ask, so I'm gonna tell you. But if you don't ask, I'm not gonna tell you. It's not gonna be like, oh, I got this Louis Vuitton bracelet. No, I'm not gonna say anything. Oh, you like the bracelet? Thanks. Leave it at that. They have a chain that is a part of this collection. The chain is like $9.50, not too sure. They don't have price decreases. They don't really do discounts or anything like that. They don't even really give samples. But depending on who you are and how nice you are, you may get a sample. However, I'm gonna just shop around. I'm gonna wait to see if that chain does go down. I would love to grab it at a lower price, but I really want it, and I want it to match the bracelet. So it may be something I would invest in. They also have Louis Vuitton earrings that say LV. I'm thinking about getting some of those as well. But that is my bracelet. I'm gonna wear it the rest of the video. All right, so the next item we have is Bam! Is a small leather good. I was going back and forth about this because I'm like, don't buy it, don't buy it, don't buy it. And I was thinking like, should I get a passport book or should I get a wallet? So I ended up getting a small leather good, which this is a wallet. I'm definitely gonna show you guys in a second. Yeah, I'm super excited about it. I got a card. And this is my receipt from the online order. This is what I ordered for pickup. This is what your receipt looks like when you order for pickup online. Just a message from Louis Vuitton, and this is just explaining experience. Explains exchanges and returns. I won't be returning or exchanging. These are cool. I just like to keep these for insurance purposes, just in case something were to happen. Like, why do you pay for renter's insurance? Just in case something happens, you have all your receipts. You have everything that states what you pay for, just in case there were to be water damage or someone were to break in and steal it. You got proof. I don't know what this is. This is probably from the girl in the store, but it says my name on it, and it also is stamped Louis Vuitton in the back. So I'm really excited to see what this is. Oh my God, look at that. I can't even see the whole thing and it looks so cute. Stay fabulous, friend. Oh my God, it's like a pressed Louis Vuitton card. It's so cute. Her name is Dana and my name is Drew, so this is cute. I personally wanted to go with another pattern, but I was like, you know what? Keep it cool, keep it traditional, go with the regular Louis Vuitton monogram print. Ooh, I'm excited. Again, another receipt. Authenticity card. You got the Louis Vuitton right here. You guys ready? All right, let's go. Voila! Ooh, I'm so excited. As you can see, I can't hide it. So cute. What is that? Oh, another. Damn. They just be wasting paper. It is a Louis Vuitton card holder. I've wanted one of these for so long. So the outside, you can put a card inside of here. Once you open it, you have a few more card slots. There's 3 here. Put stuff in here, and then you, if you want cash or have like something you want to tuck away, you can tuck it inside these 3 parts right here. But I actually have, where's my old wallet? All right, so this is my current wallet. I have a Gucci card holder, and this is the new Louis Vuitton wallet. So side by side, you can see that this is obviously a little bigger. I don't know why I thought it was big enough to put my passport in, but I'm clearly gonna have to order a passport book through Louis Vuitton if I want to go ahead and get one, like a passport cover to slide it in. Only reason I really want one is so I can put my passport in it and then my vaccine card in there, but that's neither here nor there. But yes, this is the size difference of the Gucci card holder and the Louis Vuitton wallet. I have like 6 cards in here, so I know I'll be able to fit all of them in here because there's a few more slots. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna use this outside slot just because I feel like, I don't know, I've never been too secure with outside slots. Plus, I don't want to really stretch that. So maybe I'll put like my YouTube stickers or something in there, but I won't put my actual cards in there because I don't want it to slide out either. But yeah. This is the wallet card holder. Not too sure. I don't remember the price. I don't want to think about it. I just ordered it. It was like, yeah. But I do see myself getting another one of these. There's a silver and grayish one that I really want. And there's also like this, not rainbow pattern, but like a starburst looking pattern one. I definitely want to get that. But I'm going to put my cards in here today. Super excited. What's crazy is that all my main cards fit. So my regular banking card, my business account card, and then my credit card all fit inside of here. Everything's listed in there. You can't really see any card numbers or anything, so that's pretty cool. My ID is over here. I don't have my passport card, but if I do get one, I'm just gonna slide it in there so that way I have one. But yeah, it's not heavy. It feels great. I'm super excited. Oh, my old Gucci wallet. I may sell this or I may keep it. I think I'll just probably keep it, or I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it. Listen, Louis Vuitton, you've been doing a good job. And what I also like about Louis Vuitton, the culture, the people are nice. I'm not saying that they're not nice at anywhere else, but you definitely can tell, like, I don't know. I really don't know how to say it. You can tell that they, when you apply for Louis Vuitton, they don't just take anybody. They definitely do their research. You have to have years of experience. You have the monograms and the prints, because these people know everything. Very, very skilled. And like, these people are hand selected. You can tell that they're skilled, they know fashion, they know their art, they're well groomed, they're manicured, which is how I would want to present myself if I worked at Louis Vuitton or even at any fashion house or high-end luxury store, just because you're the face pretty much. You may not be the face of the company, but at that moment you're representing them, so you're the face. You need to look good. No, our last and final item. No. So this item I actually purchased in store. I really wanted it. They didn't have it the first time I went, so of course, me being me, I popped back up like, do y'all have this? Cause I want it. And they were like, yes, we have it. And I'm like, I want it. I don't want to. Just bag it up. Here's the money. Here, take it. Here it is. Ooh, another orange and blue bag. Bam. So let's just go ahead and dive in it. I won't do too much, like I always do. Voila! So this is a Louis Vuitton fragrance. I wanted this fragrance for so long. Look at the box. The packaging is so detailed. It's so nice. That's the top. Obviously, you can see the name on it right here, Louis Vuitton. I don't know if the name is Metairie or Metairie. She said it when I was in the store, but I do not remember. But this is the packaging. It opens from the side. Like, so strange. I've never had a fragrance that opened from the side like a book, which is kind of cool. Then once you pull it out, it is a tubular case. So when you get the case out, it's like steel or tin up top. Obviously, there's a little logo there. And then once you rotate it, it says Louis Vuitton, and then it has the fragrance name on it. The way you get it is from the bottom. So once you go here, you'll just kind of like switch it out, and then that is the full fragrance. I don't know if you guys can see, but my initials are etched in the bottle. It smells so good. I want to look up the notes for you guys. By the way, I would definitely recommend creating an account on Louis Vuitton. They have an app. You can put like wish list items. You can order directly from the app, and it'll just let you know when your stuff is available and pick up. Oh, I really want to get Afternoon Swim, and it's called, yeah, California Dream. I want both of those. I want to add those to my collection. Once I'm done, I'll be done then, because that's a lot of money. Bottle, it says it retails for $410. I think that is the large bottle. I don't remember paying that much for this. Yeah. Here's some keynotes. It says black pepper. I thought this said black people. I was about to say, oh, hell no. Oh, it says black pepper, bergamot from Italy, neroli from Tunisia, and mandarin from Italy. I don't know. It's a very masculine scent. When you smell it, it smells rich, like rich in fragrance and also rich in money, like wealthy. It definitely smells like something that you're like, oh, wow, who is that? Like, I want to get to know them because they smell good. So that's why I got it. One. Like, come on now. I love smelling good. Baccarat and Mason are my favorite fragrances. I love just smelling good. So Sauvage, Dior, of course Chanel Blue. These are staples in my collection, but I wanted to step it up a bit. Even outside of Baccarat and Clive Christian and those high-end fragrances, I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton fragrance. And this bottle is just amazing. This bottle is probably the smaller bottle. They do have a larger bottle, which is why that one's $410. I think this one's like $280. But there was a customer in the store from Toast, and he gave me $100, so I only really paid $180 for the bottle, which is really good. See the Louis Vuitton print there, and my initials are on that. I don't know, it just smells great. I had a great time. I had a great experience. All right, guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the Louis Vuitton mini haul unboxing. I had a good time. I had a great experience. I hope you guys have the same luxury shopping experience that I had, which makes me want to go back, and I will be back soon, and I will definitely record it and show you guys. Again, if this was your first time here, go ahead and please hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, give me a big thumbs up, show some love, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy, and as always, until next time.